Alright guys, this is the sickleflow 140 ARGB. It's a Cooler Master and it is compatible with these softwares. Now, if you am like me, plug into a motherboard that doesn't have ARGB, well, you'll have a fan without lights. So what you gotta do, if you have a motherboard with an ARGB supported on it, then you just plug it in and it works fine. If you don't have it, just like mine, you gotta plug into the controller. Then you gotta plug it into your motherboard. You'll have two cables, ARGB and a normal fan header. You gotta first plug in your ARGB into this Tecware controller or any controller you find, and then plug it in your fan header. Now plug in your controller to your motherboard. All you need to do is plug in the fan header to your motherboard chassis fan. Then plug it into your SATA, which is used to power your hard disk. Lastly, you gotta use the reset button from your motherboard and plug it into the controller. And now you get your own ARGB goodness. You can control everything from the reset button, like I'm showing you right here, right now. Remember to like, subscribe and share! Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist of my previous and future videos that is to come. So check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.